what's going on? Nick Tsai here. So in this video, I want to talk about how you can upload your courses to Udemy. So the first step you want to do is you want to go to course. Then you want to click on new course. Then you want to click on like a course here. Then you want to click on continue. Then you want to type in your course name. So for this, it's just demo. So I just type in demo. Then I click on continue. Then you want to choose a category for you. Maybe your design course or marketing course or lifestyle. Just choose one. Then they will do a quick survey. Then you want to talk about who is your target audience, right? So what will students learn in this course, right? So maybe they will learn how to manage. And this is why it's requirement. So what is required in advance in order to take this course? So I would say have a computer. And you can say who are your target student, right? So things like that. And you can actually add more answers, so you can target multiple audience, multiple different target, right? Then after you finish that, you click on save. Then you go to another one. It's called the course structure, right? So in this page, there's just some instruction for you about how to set up your course, how to do the planning, things like that, so you can read them. Then you go to set up and test the video. So if you haven't sent your test video yet, you have to click on here to submit your test video, and they will review the quality of your videos and they will give you feedback so that you don't waste time submitting things that they don't approve. So you want to make sure you create a video. It can be anything. It can be your introduction. It can be you talking about something. Then you just submit here and they will review your video quality for you, right? So then after this step is done, you want to go to create your content, right? So this part. So this part is just some more instruction for you. You can read them, right? And you can also go to curriculum. So curriculum is where we upload our course content. So there are two ways for you to upload. You can use their bulk uploader, right? You can click on here. Then you can import your content from your Dropbox, your Google Drive, or from your computer. So you just click like choose files. Then you can choose all the files you want to upload. Then you click on open. Then you can click on upload. Then it will take some time to upload your videos, right? So after all the videos are uploaded, you can go to content and choose video to upload your video, right? So there are two ways for you to upload your video. You can either just upload them one by one, or you can add from library. So this is where you just bulk uploaded all the videos. So there are two ways for you to add videos. And besides from videos, you can actually upload some articles or some slides. So that's all up to you and see what works best for you, right? Then you can go to here to click on add new section. So if you want to add multiple sections, you can go down here and you can add here. So you can type a name and you can click on add section, right? So you can add like multiple sections. Just go below here and they will show you a plus sign. Then you just click on that, right? So how do you add like lecture? So it's the same. You go to the current lecture and you go to here. You can see when you scroll down here, it will show a plus sign. So you just click on here, right? So you can say you want to add like lecture, quiz, or a coding exercise or assignment. So we want to add lecture. Then you click on add lecture. So you can actually change the order of the lesson, so they can just drag and drop, or you can move them to different section, right? So you can add description, you can add resources, or you can add content. Then after everything is set, you just go to caption. So this one is optional. So if you don't want to add captions, it's totally okay for you, right? Then you want to go to course landing page. So here is where you set your course title and your course subtitle and your course description, right? And you want to choose your language and your level, right? If it's for beginner, you choose this for beginner. And you want to choose your category and your subcategory. Then you want to choose your primary topic, right? Then you want to upload your image. So you can use Canva or use Photoshop to create your course image. And you can upload your promotional video. So you can actually just record yourself talking about the course and you upload here. So that's it. So then after everything is set, you just click on save. Then we want to go to pricing. So you can choose to make this course totally free, right? So, or you can choose different pricing points, right? So some people will choose free because they want to attract more like students so that they can build their like channel or their email list, things like that. But you can also choose the price point you feel comfortable with. Then you click on save. Then you can go to promotion. So here is where you can create a coupon, right? So if you want someone to review your courses, you don't want them to spend any money, right? So you can create a coupon code here. Then so you can send them this coupon code and in exchange for their review. So then you can go to course messages. So here is where you send the automatic like message here to your students, right? So they will send a message when people enrolled your course, and they will send a message when they finish their course, right? So you can say, "Oh, welcome to my course." And you can say, "Congratulations," things like that. Then you can click on save, right? So after everything is set, you just click on submit for review. So they will ask you something if you haven't done, maybe you haven't uploaded enough video for the curriculum, or you haven't like typing enough words in your landing page. So you have to go finish them, right? So after you submit for review, it will take like a few days. Then they will give you some feedback. If your course is okay, they will publish your course right away. Or if there's some issue, they will let you know and you can fix them and submit for review again. So that's how you create and upload your course videos to Udemy. So I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.